Hello everybody, this is David Batts, guys, our latest green infrastructure project. This particular project was designed with Vickery and Associates. We worked diligently with them for months to try to come up with the most sustainable street design we possibly could, and there was a lot that went into this particular design. If you're familiar with this area, you'll see that the roadway actually got thinner. So instead of a 4-lane boulevard, we went down to a 2 and 3 lane. What that did was allowed us to have the space in order to put in this green infrastructure in the right-of-way. The main objective of putting in these bioretention areas that you see here was to protect the pristine waters of the San Marcos River. The San Marcos River, if you guys don't know, is home of 4 different endangered species, 2 of which being the blind salamander and the fountain darter minnow. Here you can see the various different green infrastructure BMPs being implemented on this project. The water comes in from concrete flumes off of the roadway. A lot of sediment actually accumulates within these concrete flumes before it hits the forebays. The forebays are generally made up of vegetation, rock, just something to slow the water down, dissipate it, allow for sediment to fall out of suspension before it gets onto the biofilters. Once the water goes through the concrete flumes and the forebays, it makes its way onto the biofilter itself. The first level of biofiltration of these focal point systems is the mulch layer. Once treated through the mulch layer, a lot of the sediments and particulates fall out of suspension here so that the finer particulates can be filtered by the actual filter. The filter is made up of a high flow rate engineered soil, but it really doesn't work unless the plants are in place as well. Below the engineered media is a pea gravel that acts as a separation layer from our modular tank under drain. The entire system combined treats water to a treatment rate of 89% TSS. Since the Allen Parkway opened in November of 2019, the systems have seen multiple sizable rain events, each of which the biofiltration systems handled perfectly, not flooding out the roadway or any of the adjacent properties, and discharged clean water into the San Marcos River. This project was a success for everyone involved.